guys, how are you? Uncle Dan here. I want to talk with you right now about the role of leadership in sales. Leadership's really, really, really important. And you, as a salesperson, have to be a leader for the customer, a leader for your prospects. That's what they want. They want to be led. They need somebody to take charge. Okay, so I'll share this little analogy with you. You have to have your George Washington moment when you're with a customer. Right? So picture George Washington hunkered down in the fields in Pennsylvania in 1776 in December. Freezing cold out. His men had just lost 5 battles in a row to the British. And he has to go on and win the war. He was on a mission to create this new country. He had a vision for it. Right? And everybody's hunkered down. What's his next move? He decided he was going to take Trenton. Right? But the men were sitting there. They don't want to fight anymore. They want to go home to their families. They've been fighting for a couple of years and they're done. They just want to go home. He had to provide the leadership. He had to provide the inspiration. This is the only way it happens, because nobody wanted to fight. It was a dead of winter, sub-freezing temperatures. Some didn't even have shoes on their feet. He had to provide leadership. That turned the war around. The Battle of Trenton turned the whole war around. Now, you have to have your George Washington moment. You have to share a vision. You have to share a vision of what the future could look like with that customer, with that prospect. This is leadership. Leaders in companies have to do the same things. If you're a CEO or if you're a manager in a company, you provide leadership by painting a picture about the future that people look at and they go, wow, that's pretty cool. I'm in on that. And that's what George Washington had to do. That's what you have to do. That's the importance of leadership, right? I can help you with that. I can help you with that leadership thing. So come to my power sales training. I really look forward to working with you. This is one of the topics that we're going to talk about, leadership in sales. Peace.